Business Bluetooth headset, the pursuit of classic atmosphere and good sound quality. The W30 recommended by Flying Bird meets all requirements. LED dual-screen digital display, high-end atmosphere. 400 mAh large charging compartment, excellent battery life. HIFI surround sound, just like attending a concert. ENC environment noise reduction, relies high-definition calls necessary for business. Smart touch operation, one key wake-up voice, sir. One ear and two ear modes, can be switched at will. Upgraded to Bluetooth 5.2, the signal stability has been greatly improved. Practical and beautiful, it is the best gift. Flying Bird. Thank you for watching.